Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name or username on Instagram. So how do you do it? It's very, very simple. First, you're just gonna wanna go to your Instagram account and then find your way over to your page here. You'll see I'm on my page, and then you'll see you have the option to edit profile. If I scroll down, you'll see I have the option to change my name or my username. Now, your username is your handle that appears on Instagram. That's how you change your username. You can type it in right there, and you'll see I have the option to change it. Now, I can only edit my username up to 5 times within 30 minutes. That's a lot of time. So you have some opportunities to try out different things, see what looks good. What's great as well is that Instagram saves your username for the next 14 days so that you can usually switch back within the next 14 days. Now, it's not guaranteed. If you really love your username, don't change away from it. Last thing to know about username is, of course, you can only use something that is a unique username. You can't use something that's been used before, so you have to think a little bit more carefully through what you're gonna name yourself. But what about name? Name is a little bit more easy. That's something that you call yourself. Maybe it's your full name, a nickname, a name of your business. You change it in here. You can change it twice in 14 days. A little bit strange, but yeah, that's how it works. Twice in 14 days. Other thing to note about changing your name is that it is not the same as username, and you can change it to the same name as everybody else because, hey, lots of people have the same name. So you can change your name in there, hit done, and then save, and you'll be done. Hey, that's simple enough. So that's how you do it. That's how you change your name or username on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.